afternoon, dear students. Welcome to digital classes. This is your chemistry period, and today I'm going to tell you about the new chapter that we are going to start. That is chapter number 3. Name of the chapter is metal and non-metal. So, dear students, as already we have done 2 chapters of this chemistry period. That is chemical reaction and chemical equation. That was chapter 1. Second chapter was acid and bases and salts that we have finished yesterday. We did exercise of yesterday. Hope so you understood all the questions. Now we are going 3, that is metals and non-metals. So before going to start the chapter metal and non-metal, the understanding the nature of metals and non-metals, or what is the meaning of metal and non-metal, let me tell you about things that is, as in junior classes we have studied, atom is the smallest unit that make all kind of matter, and the purest form of atom is called element, and element is divided into 3: metal, non-metal and metalloid. So these metal, non-metal and metalloid we will going to study according to periodic table. So metal have different properties, non-metal have different properties. Metal and non-metal when react, it will form a different kind of salt also. So what is metal? Metal is basically electropositive in nature. Okay, in 9th class you studied that suppose how to make formula when Na will react with Cl. So Na is positively charged, Cl is negative charged, because Na have one extra electron which Cl will take to form octet. So NaCl it will form, in which Na is electropositive, so it is metal. Cl is electronegative, so it is non-metal. So in detail we will study later on. So metal and non-metal, basically the chapter is divided into 2 parts. In first part we will talk about introduction, in which all the important definitions we will study. Properties of metal. In non-metal we will study, first we will study our physical properties, which is very important. Then we will study chemical properties, which is also, in chemical property we will study the reaction, like how acid will react with metal, how base will react with metal. In physical properties we will study how physically metal is looking. Then we will differentiate metal and non-metal on the basis of physical and chemical properties. Occurrence of metal and non-metal we will do, where metal and non-metal is found in our nature, on the basis of reactivity series. Some of the metals are very reactive, some of the metals are non-reactive, some of the metals are medium reactives. So these reactivity series, one series is there that we will study. And extraction mean, now all the metals, those who are reactive metals, those reactive metals are not found in a pure state. So those reactive metals need to be pure, we need to be extract from its impurities. That is called extraction of ore in the basis of reactivity. This is very important topic. Then once the metal, pure metal is extracted, then we will purify the metals. In the end we will do the uses of metals and non-metals in our daily life. And last topic is corrosion and its prevention. So when all the topics we will do, then one day we will do the exercise of this chapter. The chapter is very important. It carry 5 to 6 marks weightage in exam, and hope so you will pay attention, you will enjoy the chapter. So let's start this chapter. Thank you.